welcome back to another week of YouTube videos. This week's is very fun. It's a closet tour and a closet clean out. So as I'm kind of showing y'all around where I keep my things, I'm also going to be getting rid of a ton of pieces. I've needed to do this for a while. It's not gonna be tips to get rid of things. It's really more my process and actually showing y'all around this little world that I made to inspire me to get dressed every day. A closet is such a place of inspiration, and I've always kind of said dress to express, not to impress. You're really dressing to show off who you are and to wear your heart on your sleeve. So my closet is a place that starts, and when it's bogged down, it's kind of like when you get like writer's block. I get fashion block all the time because my closet has pieces in it that I don't absolutely love. I am thrifting so often because I have my store with Well Loved Clothing where I sell thrift, vintage, and handmade pieces. So I'm curating collections for that, but I'm also curating my own collections for just my own personal style. That being said, my closet has exploded over the past couple of months. I'm really excited to share my closet with y'all, but also to take you on this clean out journey. So let's get started. Everything that inspires me, everything that I wear, everything that I probably don't wear also, but that's what we're gonna do today. So this is our guest room, but my husband would call it my closet because you can see I have my big rack, my hats, my jewelry, my accessories, everything, and two full dressers of stuff in here too. We are going to start right here in my tiny closet. It's not a super tiny closet, a walk-in by walk-in standards, but it definitely gets really full really easily. So let's start right in here. We're gonna start with the shirts today. So my shirts are kind of split up in two. So I keep my tank tops and t-shirts all up here. It kind of helps me with layering because a lot of times I'm either putting a t-shirt under or a tank top over, because this is usually where I kind of start with my ideas. Next, I have my long sleeve shirts that are all down here. Starts with short sleeve button down style. It's not like t-shirties. And then I have a little section of like sweater vests. I think they're a perfect addition to any outfit because so I have like 5 or 6 of them right here. Then it moves on to long sleeve button down. Blouses that are not button downs but still have a very blousey girly style to them. Turtlenecks that are not warm. Turtlenecks that are warm. Some sweaters. I have a large collection of sweatshirts that I actually hang up. I would wear them with a regular outfit. I keep them nice. They're hung up. They're not just like, I'm gonna bake in this and get flour all over it. Then I have all of my jackets that start here and go all the way to the wall because I have a major jacket problem. So my legs are hurting. I'm gonna stand up now. Probably my favorite section of my whole closet, and right now I'm actually looking for some more dresses. This is where I draw a lot of inspiration from because I'll wear them over jeans or like under a sweater or a t-shirt or something, and I think dresses are so versatile. So I have this tiny rack with so many dresses shoved into it that I really need to get rid of some. I have some jumpsuits that sit on this end. Some of my sets here too. After my sets, my skirts start right here and then they go until like here where pants start, and then my pants go back to that wall. Copper hangers are short. So my little foldable pants rack is probably one of my favorite things. I like to roll my jeans. They don't get that weird pulling on the zipper or like creases in the pant. And I've organized it by mom jeans, skinny jean, colored, flares, shorts, wide legs. I could go on for hours. I don't love jeans, but the ones that I do have, I do love. So I keep that section really curated. So Walmart, shoe rack. So I so recommend this if you want to not have them cluttering all of your pants. Your girl has too many trousers. So this is my accessories dresser. This second drawer holds all of my hats. The one fun thing about this dresser is that it rarely opens. So I'm amazed that this just opened on the first try. I have one of my robes in here because it's gone robe. A lot of beanies in here. I keep some hats in here and I display a lot of them up here. have my favorite drawer, which is my scarf drawer. And I keep any sashes from dresses in here also. This drawer right next to it is my belt drawer. This is one of my dressers. Next we are going to look at the other dresser. This is my favorite new dresser. I just bought it at an antique store and it is so stinking cute. This drawer is all of my pants. Yellow sweatpants, purple sweatpants, some PJ pants in here that are totally real pants if you ask me. I love PJ outfits. My next drawer is all of my t-shirts. 2 points of quality. They have to be comfortable enough to sleep in and cute enough to wear out. This one houses my exercise tops, and then this one houses all of my bathing suits. So this dresser has been a real blessing. Getting rid of the bulk of what's on these racks. We're gonna pull everything out here, look through all of it, make sure that it's stuff that I'm gonna still love, and if not, I'm gonna sell it or donate it. So let's do it. This is all of my tank tops, t-shirts, short sleeve blouses. I'm gonna start there because I feel like the other stuff is gonna be easier, so I'll have more mental power to just kind of power through all of these summery shirts. So let's do it. Short sleeve or tank top kind of piece that's fitted is my absolute favorite piece, and I have so much trouble getting rid of them. Since this one is patterned, I have a couple others that are just colors. We are going to keep this bad boy. I always like to make a yes, no, maybe pile, and then my maybe pile I do another yes, no, maybe round, because if I'm questionable about it at all, usually that means I don't need to keep it. So I try to just get rid of it there. So this is one example of the piece that I absolutely love, but it has a rip in the armpit and then you can't usually see it, and it's a really great vintage Ann Taylor blouse. I think I have to get rid of it just because it's not as clean, as pristine as I would like it. So now we are going to take what's here, put it back in the closet. Next I'm going to do long sleeve shirts. Lot of these funky little, rather than just like putting on a shirt and going, it's like a nice little outer shell to layer some more, because you know we love layers. So I love this one and it's amazing. I don't really need more cheetah print. 100% silk, so it's a great shirt, but I don't love it, so we're gonna get rid of it. These are two pieces that are very similar, and I don't really need both of them. I like this one because it feels a little more vintagey. Thrifted them both. I'm gonna keep this one. The tag is still on it, and I haven't worn it since I bought it. I might try and force myself to wear it like this week, and if I don't, I'll get rid of it. We'll try and do that this week. A lot of people will tell you don't ever get rid of your basics, but I get rid of my basics more often than anything because I don't like having a closet of basics. Nothing's wrong with that, but a dress like myself, I have to have a closet that's full of color and happy. So this is probably going. Done. We're gonna move on to some jackets and then get into some pants and skirts. Woo! I forget how many coats that I have sometimes. This is gonna be really hard for me. Okay, so I edited my coats down by 2. 2 is a big change for me because I love them so much. That was not as hard as I thought it was going to be for the sets and jackets, but I'm gonna move on to pants now. And that will be difficult because I love all of my trousers. So as you can see, I've split, and that side is the side I'm getting rid of. Might hang on to some of them. This side, I obviously love my oranges, purples, blacks, whites, greens, so I'm gonna go put these back and put those in the other pile and move on to dresses. I shoved all of these dresses that fit on this 4-foot rack all up here in this closet on this 2-foot rack right there. That's insane to me. I don't know why they fit, but we're gonna go through all of these now and see what we can get rid of. I might cut this one short because it has this beautiful back detail, and either make it a very cool shirt or have it be a midi dress maybe for some kind of event, or even just this with sandals would be super cute. Little necktie. Oh, we're planning outfits now, people. All right, I'm gonna keep both. Okay, I started putting things away and I remembered this amazing 80s dress. Gorgeous and amazing. Don't really have anywhere to wear it, but there's sometimes those dresses that just make you feel so good. The idea of special occasion dresses, but I'm a firm believer that you should wear your special occasion dresses every day. Guys so often will put something on and think, is this too much, or is this too fancy, or whatever it is, and if it is, I'm like, yeah, it is. Who cares? I'm gonna wear it anyway because it makes me feel special. So instead of waiting for that perfect occasion to wear that dress, just wear it and like throw a sweater over it or put some boots with it. It's your style, and ultimately no one can tell you what you like. Done. My closet is cleaned out. My pieces are right here on this rack, and I will be taking these either to the Reverie to donate, but it's so exciting to think that people will be wearing the pieces that I have just fallen in love with. I cannot wait to see how you style them up. I'm so glad that I got to share my closet and my dressers and my walls and racks and baskets and everything that I got to share with you today. I hope that it helps you kind of organize your closet in a way that's inspiring for you. Curate a closet that you absolutely love, and that every time you step in there, it's just a place of inspiration and fun. You're allowed to change your style whenever you want to. Find your own and just let it be. Let it be weird, let it be funky, quirky, adorable, everything that you are. You are well loved. You are absolutely beautiful. Thank y'all so much for watching. I am so grateful for this sweet community on YouTube. Like this video, subscribe, go follow me on Instagram. I have sales every Wednesday, new videos every Friday right here. So I will see y'all next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.